Oh hi, so it's Thursday, finished work early and I'm up the garage. I just got to fix my friend's stem. Let me show you what I've got to do. I stripped the bolt out of his stem, so I'm going to helicoil it. So I had to pick up another kit because I only had an M5 and an M6. So if you've ever done anything with alley threads, sometimes I just helicoil them straight away, even if they're brand new. So I've got to fix that first. Oh, and even better news, I fixed the bloody beep on my alarm. So if you're not familiar with a helicoil kit, it's really easy. You drill out the hole, you tap the hole, the little tool to screw the helicoil in. There's a little tab down the helicoil that you punch out, and that kind of like bends that little bit out and locks it in as well. So let's crack on with that. Just went to time lapse me doing the stem, and I put the drill bit on this one and didn't even press, and the drill bit just shattered into 3 pieces. Thanks, Clark. Thank you very much. Stem, that's worked a treat. All I'm going to do today is clean my garage ready for tomorrow. So tomorrow's plans are cut the other chassis rail for the lollipop, cut a load of cardboard templates for all the like blanking plates I've got to weld back into the chassis rails. For the lollipop mounts on a BMW chassis rail, they've got 2 pegs, so they like locate on pegs and they bolt through. So I'll show you my little design. I've just got to make 4 like bungs with a peg on top. So what I'm going to do is, this box section is the exact height I need the chassis rail mount to be off the chassis rail, so the round part of the lollipop doesn't hit, and that leaves me like a 4mm gap. But what I want to do, like my front crossmember mounts, I want to bore 2 holes in here, so this part of the bung thing is the same thickness as this, and then all that's sticking out is the little peg that it locates on, and it'll be tapped all the way through for a bolt. So it'll be quite OEM, so it will locate properly and bolt properly on. So yeah, that's tomorrow's plan, and what I'll do is I'll dive straight into it tomorrow. I'm giving up on this. Snapped both my carbide bits. It's taken long, and then I've been an absolute idiot. I searched for my little pot here and I found this, and when I made the quick shift for my BM, I bought some like precision ground 16mm bright mild steel, and I've been an absolute idiot. Instead of making these big chunky top hat things, I can just drill a 16mm hole and put that in, and that's the right size. So all I've got to do is drill it and tap it. What an idiot. Okay, so I can still get on with some stuff. I'm going to drill both of these ready to receive them, and then I'm gonna do this to the other side, take this off, cut and tack weld all the little capping plates, and I think that's me done for today. Here we go. So I'm going to order some of that. I've left the hole slightly big so I can clamp it through a lollipop and tack weld it so they can sit properly square and nice. So next, let's take this off and then mark all these cuts on there, trim that off, and then start making some blanking plates. Okay, so I've just cut some templates, and that's just for the front, this underneath and this front bit, and I'm just going to get them tack welded in today just so I've got a bit more strength in those areas. And then I need to wait to make, once I've made these and tack weld those blocks in, I know where this cut's finally got to be, and then I can plate that and them and then do my strengthening stuff. Right, got them all cut out of 2mm steel. I'll just tack them in. Okay, so they're all just tacked in for now in case I've got to make any alterations. You get the idea. So again, similar stuff here, and then some triangles and all the fixing stuff. Not bad, eh? Okay. It's Sunday. I lied, I didn't get up here tomorrow. It's Sunday. And I've been looking at what I can do. Not much, basically, until I make the lollipop mounts. But they're gonna roughly sit sort of there, so I just want to cut this out. Cut that out around it for now to give me a bit of space. And then I can sheet this front part out like I have here, and then I think that's it. I think that is it for this week, because I need to make those bits first so the rod will get delivered in the week, and then I can crack on. Okay, here we go. This is what I've done. So just boxed it in. The leg will sit sort of there. So once I've got my mount for that in, I can then plate there and then do the strengthening stuff. Not bad. Not bad. I've had enough for today now. I'm it's too hot and I'm sweating out in my garage, which is not that fun really when you're just cutting and angle grinding and everything. But yeah, quite pleased with this. Quite pleased with this. I know the progress is slow on the Starlet, but that's life, isn't it really? She is progressing, which is good. So I just got to try and keep up this momentum and get this whole front end buttoned up as soon as I can, and then get to work on the back. But yeah, another successful day, eh? So anyway, see you next week.